Google Drive is a powerful tool for storing, organizing, and sharing files. But many people unknowingly make mistakes that slow them down or put their data at risk. In this video, we'll go through the most common Google Drive mistakes to avoid so you can stay organized, secure, and efficient in 2025. One of the biggest mistakes is relying too much on the default My Drive without proper organization. A lot of users upload files randomly, and after a few months, their drive turns into a chaotic mess. The fix is simple. Create folders for projects, clients, subjects, or tasks. Use clear file names and color-coded folders to quickly spot what you need. This makes your workflow cleaner and saves a lot of time. Another common mistake is ignoring your storage usage. Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes for free, but that space includes Gmail and Google Photos. Many people run out of storage without realizing why. Regularly delete old backups, duplicate files, junk emails, and unused photos. You can also use the Storage tab in Drive to easily locate large files and clear up space. A big security mistake is oversharing files. Sometimes people share documents using anyone with the link, even when the file contains personal or sensitive information. This increases the risk of your file being accessed by the wrong person. Instead, share only with specific people and control their permissions: viewer, commenter, or editor. Review your shared files regularly to remove access from people who no longer need it. Another issue is not using version history. Some users overwrite files without realizing they can easily restore older versions. Version history saves every major change you make, which is extremely helpful when fixing mistakes, recovering deleted content, or reviewing updates. Always use it when collaborating on important documents. Many beginners also forget to manage offline access. If you expect to work without internet, enable offline mode for key files. Without setting this up in advance, you might not be able to open or edit your documents when you need them the most. Lastly, a common workflow mistake is not taking advantage of Google Drive integrations. Tools like Google Workspace apps, Zoom, Trello, Slack, and even PDF editors can connect directly to Drive. Not using these integrations means you're missing out on faster workflows, easier collaboration, and better productivity. Avoiding these Google Drive mistakes can help you stay organized, protect your files, and make your work process smoother and smarter. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Google Drive tips, cloud storage guides, and productivity hacks for 2025.